Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub, and once again I welcome you to our wonderful video. This video is going to be wonderful. I made this video first in Punjabi language, and then many of you complained. You said, "Sir, it should be in English. We don't understand Punjabi." So, in the greater interest of my students, I'm going to make the same video in English. Alright, I'll try to be funny in English as well as I am in Punjabi. Alright, guys. Well, there are two types of learnings. One is dependent learning and one is independent learning. And remember, whenever you start learning anything, first you are dependent and after that you become independent. Right? Exactly. Yeah. Initially, you don't know how to manage yourself in the washroom. You are dependent. Initially, you don't know how to change your clothes. You are dependent in your childhood and then you become independent, right? So, in the same way, now try to understand this concept, and this is going to improve your 4 Ielts skills: reading, writing, listening, speaking, and you will be able to get very good band score. I mean it. Okay, now from here onwards, this video is only for those who want to get their desired band. And those who are looking for magic, those who are looking for miracles, those who are looking for some secret techniques, please stop watching this video. You can watch Doraemon or you can watch any other program that will better entertain you, because next thing which we are going to do, that is very, very serious. Well, guys, listen, I have recorded more than 3,500 videos, and most of those videos are on Ielts. Over the time period, I have solved many Ielts listening tests, many Ielts reading tests, writing, speaking. I've made hundreds of videos on Ielts speaking. Then what I did, I compiled all those videos into study plans, because when you guys come to my channel, you see heaps of videos and then you get confused which video should you watch. Is there a proper sequence? Although there is a sequence when you go to playlists, there you will find proper sequence. So what I have done, I have sequenced all my videos and you can easily access them. This is what actually I called study plan. Now listen to me very carefully. In order to execute this study plan, it is essential for you guys to have Cambridge Ielts books 1 to book 16. 1 to 16, you should have all these books, okay? If you don't have them, don't ask me. Even I don't have them. You buy from the market or you get online or whatever the source is. You should know what to do, and I would advise you, if you're planning to take paper delivered Ielts, these books should be with you in printed form. Now, what you have to do, first of all, you're going to send me a message on my WhatsApp and I'm going to share all the study plans with you. 21 days plan for reading, 18 days plan for, 21 days plan for listening, 18 days plan for writing, then plan for speaking, plan for listening, reading, writing, speaking, all 4 modules, and that is day wise. Like day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5. Now, what's the modus operandi? What you have to do? I mean, you need to divide your Ielts preparation into 2 parts. One is morning and one is night. Now, for example, if you don't have time in the morning, try to wake up 1 hour before, and that 1 hour is going to be enough for you. And if you don't have time at night, try to go to bed 1 hour late. So you can easily find 1 hour in the morning, 1 hour at night, and according to you, it depends on you. If you want to give more time at the weekend, you can do that as well. Now, what's the plan? The plan is you are going to solve 1 complete listening or reading test with me, which I'm going to send you. I'm going to send you the links actually, right? I'm going to send you complete study plan, day 1, day 2, day 3. Each day contains 1 complete reading test if it is the reading daily planner, or speaking or it is listening test. Now you're going to see how I solve the test. You're going to watch closely. You're going to understand the concepts, the tips and techniques which I mentioned, especially for listening part 1, 2, 3, 4, for reading part 1, 2 and 3. Just go through that, and you must, when you send me a message for study plan, type over there GT study plan. AC study plan. That's it. I don't expect anything else. Don't even greet me. Just write AC study plan. Just write GT study plan, and I will share complete study plan with you. See that? And by the way, to this date, I answer all the messages, and I will not provide you the books because of copyright. Don't demand books from me. Don't demand handouts from me. Due to copyright, I cannot do that. But I will give you the study material, the study plans only. Plans, not material, okay? Now, one test you're going to solve with me, and then after that in the evening or after a couple of hours, you are going to solve a test independently. So this is going to be dependent and independent. When I'm solving one test, you're going to see me. You're going to see me how I do it, okay? So when after that, once that test is done, okay, going to have some tea. Thank you very much. You can take this one back. See, back-to-back tea. I'm a chain drinker of tea. Okay, thank you. Thanks a lot. So kind of you. So, anyways, now, just a minute, please. I love tea and coffee both, yeah? Like I like Rani and Shakila, so I love tea and coffee both, okay? All right, guys, let's go on. So, in the same way, you're going to make your own plan according to your own timetable. One test, one reading test, and dependently with me. When you are doing that, you should have pen and paper. You should even have the book. Open the book and see how I solve the test. Yes, let me tell you, don't follow this planner without the book. Follow this planner with the book. If it is Cambridge IELTS book number 13, test number 2, you're watching the video, Cambridge IELTS book number 13, test number 2 should be in front of you with a pencil. And you do it with me. We do that together. And then independently, without me, you can solve any test. Guys, listen to me seriously now. If you're going to follow me like this for listening and reading, you would be able to get more than your desired band. These study planners are tested ones now. I made them almost a year ago. And now students send me a message. First I scroll and I see study plans, and down there I see the result. 7 in listening, 6.5 in reading, 8 in listening, 7 in reading, and all that. Okay. So if they can do it, you can do it. Okay. So like this you got to do. Now you must be thinking, what about writing, Asad sir? What about speaking? So for speaking, I've divided the speaking study planner into 3 parts. Part 1, Part 2, and Part 3. So you have to go through all the videos which are related to Part 1, Part 2, Part 3, and then try to, when I ask a question and a candidate answers, before the answer of the candidate or after the answer of the candidate, pause the video and you answer. For example, in the speaking test, I say, what's your favorite color? Listen to the answer of that candidate. And then you say, I can speak better. Pause it there. My favorite color is red, and I have always found strange fascination towards this color. People say it's a color of love, but to me it is a color that I love the most because roses are red. That is why I love this color very much. See, then again play the video. I will ask the question, the candidate will answer. So either you can answer before the candidate or you can answer after the candidate. A new one. I've just discovered this method now. This is how you can do with speaking part 1, you can do with speaking part 2, cue card, and speaking part 3. Your speaking problem is resolved. Now you cannot say, with whom should I practice? Practice with me. Asad Yaqub is available. Now we are going to talk about writing. See that? I told you this video is only for serious candidates. So if you have reached until this point, until this second, you are a serious IELTS candidate because others have left us there. And by the way, if 1,000 people prepare for IELTS, out of those 1,000, only 100 appear in the test. And out of those 100, only 10 candidates get their desired band and reach their destination country. 1,000 to 10 only. Now you are going to be among those 10 candidates who are finally going to reach their destination, and they are going to be my host there. I'm going to be your guest there. Cheers, guys. Let's go on. Enjoy. Get ready. Pack your bags. Your destination is this far from you now by the grace of God. Let me sip the tea. That's yummy. So, the cup is hot and the tea is nice and the biscuit, I didn't open the pack. So, let's see. Okay, now let's go on. This is all about speaking, listening, and reading. Now we talk about writing. As far as writing is concerned, first of all, you should see whether you are academic or general training IELTS candidate. Okay, if you are general training, I will send you letter writing plan. I will send you essay writing plan. Okay, now listen, you have 16 Cambridge IELTS books. At the end of each book, they have given sample writing tasks for task 1 and for task 2. Now, it is for you to read those tasks. And they have given some tasks which are very pathetic for band score 4, 4.5. Avoid reading such tasks. Some essays, some letters and some reports are for band score 6, 6.5, 7, 7.5. You should read those answers. Now first read the topic. Essay topic is this. Sample answer for band 7 is this. After reading the topic and reading the sample answer, now write the essay on the same topic. I killed a mosquito. You should write essay on the same topic. Task 1. I'm giving you this formula which is going to close down all IELTS coaching centers, including mine as well. Yeah, I will sell boiled eggs in winter and bananas and mangoes in summer. Just joking, huh? Sharing is caring. Ever since I started sharing my 100% knowledge on YouTube, I started giving my 100% to the people. I'm receiving 100% response from the people. And those who are hiding their tips and techniques, I think they're going to take them with them after death even, okay? So don't worry, I don't hide anything. I tell everything. Whether you are my paid student or unpaid student, you are my student, equally respectable to me. Yes. So, we were talking about writing. Now, for academic writing task 1, you should go through 1 graphic information, see sample answer, again go through it, see sample answer. So, this is how you can develop your skill. For letter writing also, you guys can do it. Read the topic, read sample answer, write your answer. Read another topic, read sample answer which is given at the end of Cambridge IELTS book, and then write your own answer. And don't worry if there is no one to check your answer. The way you are reading and writing, that will definitely improve your writing. Essay after essay, report after report, letter after letter, you are going to be perfectly all right. So guys, this is a complete plan. If you follow this plan for just 1 month or 4 weeks, I'm not giving you 1 year. I'm not giving you 3 months, 6 months. No, just 4 weeks or one month. If you follow this plan and then you take some practice test and after that you appear in actual IELTS exam, you are going to get more than your desired band. I receive messages. I've got mobiles here. I receive messages on the daily basis. And what are the messages? Sir, I needed only 6 band, but I got 6.5. Sir, I needed only 6 band and I got 7. One said, sir, I only needed 5 band and because of you, I got 6.5. So if they can do it, you can do it, and you are going to be the next one who is going to send me a message, sir, my requirement was 6 each, but I got 7.5 in 2 modules and 6.5 in 2 modules, and I'm going to make a video on that. Get ready, guys, get ready. You can do it. You were not born for a mediocre life. You are not born to stay where you are staying now. You were born for another country, for big dreams. Right? So now it is for you. It is on you. It is up to you to fulfill those dreams before you actually go or meet your creator. Sorry about that. But anyways, we've got to meet our creator one day, all of us. So all the best, guys. Thank you very much. If you like this video, thank you very much for that. And the message which I shared with you, please, because you know, on your 2 shoulders, you have responsibility of 20 people, 20 categories of people, parents, family, country, relatives, your girlfriends, boyfriend, your fiance and all that. So please cope up with all these things, and IELTS is the only key to success. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you want to be the part of my online or on-campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub wishes you best of luck. Take care. Allah Hafiz.